This small church in Madaba hides something incredible. Welcome to St. George's Church, home to a 1,500-year-old secret unlike anything you'd expect. At first, it looks simple. But step inside and you'll see it, the oldest known map of the Holy Land. Made from over 2 million tiny stones, this mosaic reveals ancient cities like Jerusalem in stunning detail. Centuries before modern maps existed, carefully preserved and protected, it's a glimpse into how people once understood the world over 1,000 years ago. You're not just visiting history. You're witnessing it up close. Would you expect something this powerful inside a small church?